Hello and welcome to my channel. I am so excited for this video. The moment that I knew that I was going to get this package, I was just like mind blown. So as you already know, I am going to be doing a Claire's Halloween unboxing. If you followed me on my 31 days of Halloween challenge on my Instagram last year, you know that I wore a lot of their stuff. So when they contacted me and said if they could send me something, I was just lost for words. Like, even just talking about it now, I'm like so excited. So if you want to see what Halloween bits I get from Claire's accessories, then keep on watching. Put my makeup wipes over my dress because obviously I don't want that to be on the internet. Let's try and get in this box without cutting myself. Oh, I almost don't want to open it, but I do want to open it. I'm just so excited. Okay, right. Halloween just gets me going. So the first thing I see is this, and it got prices, and we have prices on here, so that's brilliant. So the first thing we have is this Spiderweb headband. So it's this spider-webbed headband with a orange spider in the middle. How cute. If you're not that into Halloween but you have a Halloween thing you're going to go to and you still want to look really pretty and glam, this is like what you need. I'm just thinking about outfit ideas and everything. You could go like really classy and sophisticated, either have your hair like up like slick bun or have it completely straight down and wear like a black bodycon. This is so cute. That is £7. My hair's a mess. I feel like that's going to be a running theme throughout this video. It's a good thing I didn't do anything with it. Ooh! The next thing we have is this little kind of a top hat. But I was trying to get one last year when I was doing a Mad Hatter look, and I was trying to get one of these and I couldn't find them anywhere. And of course now I have one somewhere. But it's really, really cute. It's this tiny little top hat on a headband with this little black bow with some little dots on it and this like skeleton hand on it. I did get last year these as like hair clips, so you might have seen me wear them last year. I've definitely already used them in a look for this year. So this is again £7. Again, this is like glam because of the glitter. How cute, can you see it? If I sit back, am I in focus? I can't see because I have a bow. How cute. I could have so done the Mad Hatter look with this hat. Oh, I'm so excited because I'm going to Florida for Halloween. I'm just like, I'm so excited. I can wear these in like the Halloween parties that I'm going to. So the next thing I have, oh, what is this? Oh, is this a cape? I'm getting glitter everywhere. It is gorgeous. Glitter though, can you see it? It is a cape, if you can see. It's like a spider web, so it's like spiderweb netting material with this gorgeous chunky orange glitter. Wow, I wish I was kind of wearing a dress so I could really show you. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh, that orange glitter. So I just had a thought, if you did want it as an overlay of a skirt, it would look amazing, and you could just like pin it to your skirt here. It is quite long though, so it will be on the floor. Okay, so this cape is £12. Next thing is this, and I did get this last year, but I broke it. And it was my fault because I was trying to put it in a drawer and it didn't fit. But you know when you're just like, it's going to fit, and it pinged off some of the gems and I was gutted. But it is this gorgeous black lace skull mask with gems on the teeth and all over the face. This is £10. You could do really, really glam eyes in this. Let me put it on so I can show you. Cute. See all the gems, and your eyes are massively on display, and it's not uncomfortable at all, which is really weird because it's hard plastic underneath, so I thought it would be, but it's really not. I don't know if you can hear me that well because obviously this is over my mouth, but it's gorgeous because it just looks like you've got black lace on you. If you didn't want to wear Halloween makeup, and I know a lot of people are allergic or their skin just doesn't react well to face paint and things like that, so you can easily just do a glam eye or just no makeup at all and just wear this and you will look But from afar, it literally just looks like you've got black lace stuck to your face, and it just looks stunning. Oh, is this a skirt? Oh, hello. It's like high-waisted. Please get over my bum. Yes. How cute. Yes. So it's like high-waisted and makes it look like you've got a bit of a corset. So I would wear it with a top like this, or like a vest top, or even like a bandeau you could wear it with. The bottom is lace, but kind of cut out at the end of the lace. That top layer, that is shorter, and then it goes down a bit, and then you have a longer layer. And then obviously you have a completely black layer underneath, so it is not see-through. You've got the corset detail there, and then you can see the bottom of the skirt a lot better now. And this comes in one size. This waistband is really, really stretchy, and it's not tight fitting at all at the bottom. This is £14. I am going to be doing a Halloween lookbook this year, so in that lookbook you can see how I style these and how I would wear these out and things like that. So hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss that, and turn on that notification bell so you get a notification. Cute. Oh, I need to stop saying cute because I feel like I'm going to say that. Oh, hang on, wait, what? How does that work? So this is the headband, but then you have like this hole. Is this it? Is this it? Oh, okay. I think this is how you're meant to wear it, right? And then the back, it's got the veil all the way around the back. Surely this is how you're meant to wear it. Okay, it's a headband, and at the top it has some little black roses. Have they got glitter in? Yeah, they do. And then you've got this black veil, and it has this black veil over it with this, oh, what material is that? But metallic skull over the top of it, and it's a material that feels like it's been like ironed onto the mesh. You can have it so the skull is going down the back of your head if you're like, no, I do not want anything on my face. This is £10. So it's a top. Okay. This is a vest top. Same as that veil, we have this kind of lacy, cobwebby material on the back of this vest top, and then at the front we have this skeleton. So we have a rib cage going down to the pelvic. It's like a purpley iridescent colour. I don't know if you can see like the rainbow in it. So that is £14. We have some over the knee socks, and these are just like the vest top, skeleton, like leg bones and feet bones. Oh, you can see it more on the socks, but it's like a purpley iridescent-y colour. These are £7. Oh, we have these, that same kind of netting. I feel like it's the same kind of netting, but this one actually has a spider on it. So it's that Spiderweb netting, but as a kind of hand glove, or do you call them like finger gloves? But they don't have fingers, so are they finger gloves? I don't know, but it's them. These are £5.50. There are two here. It looks like there's only one, but the other one's on the back. Of course, you don't just get one. Oh, I've got to try these out. Right, so I've seen these, and I just, do you know when you're kind of skeptical? But it's basically makeup stickers. So I'm going to cover my face so you can see it, so the lighting goes down. But this one is actually 3D, so these are glittered stickers. The other ones I've seen are like the kids kind of ones. Do you know, like when you put water on them and things like that? Kind of like them, like transfers. Whereas these are actually stickers. But as you can see, this is a candy skull one. Got the black for the eyes, and some silver details as well. The teeth are what I'm interested in, because they're going to have to go over your lips. Like, I don't think the bottom will. They could go like underneath here, but they will have to go over your lips. So to see whether they last will be interesting. This is £5. Oh, this is cute. This one is the same, but it's a spider web, and the spider webs are the same material, so they're black glittery. And then on the webs, they have these tiny little gems on the end, and then you have these spiders as well. I'm definitely going to try both of them to test them out. Carrying on with like the skeleton theme with the socks and the vest top, you have this. So you can get all of these, and you are a full skeleton. And these are thick material as well, so these will actually keep you warm. So if you're going out trick-or-treating, do people trick-or-treat? I never know, because I live in the middle of nowhere. Like, I live in a very dark country lane that's on a steep hill that has no lights on it, so I've never been trick-or-treating, like proper trick-or-treating around where I live, because it was dangerous to go on my road. I used to get so sad because even when I was really little, I've been obsessed with Halloween. I've loved it. I'd watch films and stuff, especially obviously America, and kids going trick-or-treating. I always really wanted to go. If it was socially acceptable, I would right now. So we have this, did I say how much these were? I am terrible, what's wrong with me? That other spider face stickers was £5. And these gloves were £5.50. This is the next thing, and it is this. This is like good material. It's not plastic, it is metal. It's a necklace with some iridescent skulls on it. How cute are they? And then you have kind of like a black pearl design around the rest of it. This is £7. So this is the next thing, and it's this skeleton hand as a necklace, gunmetal material, and this is £10. No way. No way. So obviously I love Halloween, and what comes with my love of Halloween is Halloween makeup, of course. So I've got these out, and these are the Eylure eyelashes, which I absolutely love, and these are a number 140, and they're like a very dramatic lash. And the other, these are what I'm like going crazy about. These eyelashes here, I don't want to give anything away for my 31 days of Halloween, but I've filmed a lot of the videos already because I need to be ahead of myself because I'm away. So I needed to be ahead of myself this year, and I've done a makeup look that these would look amazing with, and I'm kind of gutted that I've already done it, but it's these. Are they glittery as well? So it's these black glittery spiderweb false eyelashes. Like, are you okay? Like, are you okay? These are incredible, and they are so long as well. Like, they're so long. So the Eylure lashes are £6, and the spiderweb lashes are £4.50. These are like incredible. Like, my mind's blown. So it's these kind of like stretchy necklaces, like these 90s stretchy necklaces that, or was it 90s or was it like noughties, or a bit of both? And I used to wear them, my cousin used to wear them, and yeah. But this one has a little spider hanging off the end of it, which is really cute, and this is £4.50. Oh my god! Oh my goodness. There's these stick-on nails. I wore a ton of stick-on nails last year for my Halloween looks, and just in general around Halloween, because it's really hard to do nail art on yourself, I find. And I just didn't have the time, so I wore some from Primark, but these, just look at them. Focus in. So it's black and white spider stick-on nails, and they're glittery as well. These last so long. Oh, okay. I've got another set of nails here. You've got a skull, and then a hand and arms and legs and everything. So basically a skeleton set of stick-on nails. They're so cute. Oh, so with these you get 24 nails, and in the skeleton ones you get 20 nails, and they are both £5.50. I have another choker. This is a black kind of a velvet choker, and again it has this little spider on it, and if you see on the body of it, it has these orange gems. Here's some little dangly skull earrings with some dark iridescent gems on them. With that necklace that I had earlier, they would just look really, really, really cute. These are £5. Next we have another set of earrings. So there's some black spider webs with some little black chains dangling from the bottom as well, and these are £5. But in the middle of the spider web, it has a little spider on each. Next we have something that's actually kind of like freaking me out, and these are some hair clips with some glittery spiders on, but they're actually like furry spiders. They're a bit too like spiders for me. If they're in my hair and I don't have to look at it, then it's fine, but looking at them is actually low-key, my spider fear is just like kicking in a little bit. So these hair clips are £3.50. So what do we have here? Wow. Okay, so first we have these, are you gonna, tiny little black spider earrings with some orange glitter over the top, and then we have this gorgeous necklace that has again these little spiders. They're kind of spinning around the other way. We have these orange glittery spiders that are the same as the earrings down the necklace. We have another one here and some little beads, and then we have this one in the middle. There you go, you can see it better there, you can see it better. It is £12. Next we have some face paints, and we have a white one and a black one, and these are water activated makeup effects by Smithies, and these are £4.50 each. And I also have this lipstick, and it's this like gorgeous red lipstick. That's a proper red, that is a proper red, and the shade is red. Simple, keeping it simple. The last thing I have is this wig, and I will film a clip of me wearing it and putting it on. I'm so excited because I love wigs. I now have a box dedicated to wigs because I love wigs so much, especially right Halloween time and things like that. So that is everything in this Claire's Halloween unboxing. I'm so excited to start wearing this stuff. Please keep your eye out for my Halloween lookbook coming up soon. Hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss that, and also don't want to miss all my Halloween tutorials coming up this October, because I feel weird saying it myself, but they're good. Is that weird saying that? They're better than last year. Let me just say that. They're better than last year. So I would like to say a massive thank you to Claire's Accessories. You don't know how grateful I am for all this. Make sure you also follow my Instagram. It is at brooke.ellis_, because you will probably see me wearing all this stuff on there as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will link everything in this video in the description down below, so if you want to go check that out. Thank you again to Claire's Accessories for sending me these things, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!